just noticed is this glass, they had just cleaned the edges of the glass that it's fitting inside. So you can see that it fits inside this little frame of the table. And you can see over there what they're doing. They took the glass off and they're cleaning it with a scrubber to get it all nice and clean. Nice and clean, and clean the glass. And it's nice and scrubbed. Beautiful. I did not see this before because I don't come in here in the morning, so I didn't see how clean they do it, but this was showing you how clean it is. Very, very clean. Now I wanted to show you that because it's something that shows you that they've cleaned really well. And clearly, of course, it was only for a few seconds that I showed you that they had moved the glass, but I wanted to show you that they're cleaning, and you can see one of the senoritas, she's scrubbing the edges of where the glass sits. So that said, I'm going to keep it at that. They do really thorough cleaning fairly frequently. About once a week they do a really thorough cleaning. They come into this whole area and clean really good, at least once a week. They do generic cleaning like anywhere else. They do very generic cleaning in general, daily, as the day goes by. Just generic cleaning, and then when they do a really thorough cleaning like that, where they scrub the edges of inside the glass, where the glass sits in the inside of the table frame, it's done at least once a week. I haven't come in here more than just in passing. That's it. This is the first time I've seen them do that, because I don't come here usually around past breakfast time, so I don't usually see it. But this is the first time I came in for coffee. But we're allowed to come in for coffee because I'm a part of the elegance side, which is the first time I've come in here all week since I've been here. But again, when I saw that, I wanted to show you that they do really good cleaning. I didn't show anybody specific. I just wanted to show you that you could see that they were cleaning the table. The gentleman had cleaned, pulled the glass off. She was cleaning, senorita, she was cleaning. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I wanted to show you. And then, of course, showed you kind of along the edge there where they were cleaning. Again, I didn't want to touch it because it was cleaned, but I wanted to show you by showing you. And you saw them. So, thank you very much. And until the next time.